this room I have in here.
That's a lot.
And
I like it.
you like it? You like how much room is in it?
Yeah.
Cool.
I think before moving day, you should clean up along the front edge so you're not tracking the present.
What do you mean clean up? You mean sweep it?
Well, yeah, I'd pull out the weeds that give